Money, yo, money, got it. Put the mic, money, Scotty. Toys, niggas try me. Starbucks, Marley. I smoke money, Marley. I say fuck a foot locker. I won't go hit money.
I had the women on here. I don't know what happened.
Shit, I'm fixing it. Yo, man, what's up?
You been in the military?
How do you do? Yo, I can't right now.
What you finna cook, bro? You ain't got no eggs in the
Hold on a
pot?
second.
Where your eggs?
I'm sure.
Where the eggs?
No,
you gotta
okay.
put something in the pot, man. You gotta put something in the pot. Bro, we're men.
Shut your bitch ass up.
Rocky. Bro, why was he rocking his head? Oh. That nigga like Yoshi.
Hey kid, how you doing? You doing?
Yo, what it do, G?
I'm trying to get my hair like yours, gang.
Hell yeah, how's the dick sucking for?
My nigga on the buzz ball. You ain't got no taper, folk?
Huh?
You ain't got no taper?
No, hell it's in the low cut.
Nigga, I thought my shit was long, nigga. Bro, you outbeat it, nigga. I ain't gonna cap to you, fool. I'm like, hold
Hell
on.
yeah, how's the dick here?
Hey, you on the stream though, folk? Office Day, tap into YouTube, fool.
Alright, man, what's YouTube for?
I'm finna drop my shit right now. I just dropped that bitch right now. Come on, bro. What y'all in there smoking, folk?
What's my piece? I did.
What y'all in there smoking, folk?
To you, then it goes to
We in here smoking?
It goes to me. Actually, I
Runs.
Let me see the pack.
A pack? Pack right here. We stick the pack onto the fucking shit. Man.
smoking straight to narrow straight.
That's all y'all got left?
Gangster, we got a stuff left. He's rolling out right now.
That's it though? No
That was
more?
a fucking robber. Yeah.
I'ma fuck with y'all. Hey, tap into YouTube, folk. Y'all,
Yungwavvyy vlogs.
but y'all can't be, y'all niggas can't subscribe, fool, smoking no Reggie though, bro.
Huh?
I'll be smoking no Reggie, subscribing to my channel, bro. I'm gonna do that, you feel me?
Hell no, nigga. You crazy? Niggas only smoke straight, man.
To smoke one blunt, that car a little too cloudy, folk. That lets you know that might be some dirt.
Fucking beat so fucking jumpy. Watch two niggas
Bro.
popper. Watch out my tummy. Drop like a dyke bitch. If a nigga want y'all pop like a dyke bitch. Damn, you a fuck one, you die like a buff bitch. I supposed to like a dry buff. Nigga try to rob me, didn't have a gun. Nigga try to gun me down, didn't have a dick. You a fucking tranny like a fucking uncle. If a nigga talking shit, don't fuck it up.
Bro, that shit is ass, bro.
I can see the whole me did the quick walk.
Where did you get your Cuban? Hey. Bro, where did you get your Cuban, bro? You know Nick having son of a bitch. Hey, folks. Get the camera, hold on. Get the camera, gang. Get in the camera, bro.
Go ask about me in Memphis, gang.
I can't see you to ask about you. All I know is a nigga that matches fucking fake guns.
Oh, listen though, go ask about me in Lamite. They're gonna tell you how I got in jail. Go ask about LUH in my
In the camera so I can know about you, on bro.
You pull that white card and shit, talking about, hey, look, bro, you can't say that shit. You white, look, bro. All my life, I was up in the cell saying that shit on every black folk. They didn't care for shit.
I never said you couldn't say that.
Who are you waiting for?
My friends?
Listen, we know you're here to see an 11-year-old girl.
She said she was 12.
I can't see your face, so I'm judging your fingers. I'm judging your fingers.
Okay. Now I was just saying, bro. I'm over here trolling this shit, gang, with a fake ARP and a fake Glock and shit. And you talking about, and you thinking I'm like judging you for your skin color. I don't care what skin color you is, gang. We fam. Hang on, bro. What's up, shit? I'll subscribe to you on 10 different accounts on it.
Now, on God, I'm really finna be on this bitch.
I'm cool with that, gang. What's up, you
I
too?
just dropped it right now. Bro, that's why I'm like, come on, you gotta let him know who you is. Get in the camera.
Hey, what's the word, you too? What the fuck?
We in the chat.
I just came from a 2-year. Hey, gang, you know DCS, gang. I just.
Wait, man. Y'all subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yikes. They only give me 130 with females. I might just pay for the subscription. Get some digits. Still go fix that background look, y'all. Don't be worried about that. Fix it up.
No.
Damn. Can you subscribe to my YouTube channel? Bro, I'm just gonna look sad. Can you subscribe?
Oh, now Doncic just.
Looking sad don't get you nowhere.
I don't party. And yo, money got it. With the mic, money Scotty. Toys, nigga, try me. Starbucks, party. I smoke money, Marley. I say fuck a foot like I want go hit money.